Assalamualaikum my viewers, how are you? I hope you will be fine and welcome to KSA Motivation. Today our class we learn about the pen tool practice. So first of all we need to pick the image that will trace on. This is a cross mark so that it is a link. I have saved it back inside the download. There are 3 ways to adjust the picture in Adobe Illustrator. First pattern, we will press Ctrl and 2. I will share the remaining 2 methods in the further video. We can also it with pen tool, but I will circle here because it will form very well with the circle. It's like a circle shape. Creating a circle, I will hold down the Alt or Shift. Holding down Alt or Shift will create our exact circle. Now we will draw a line inside it with the help of line tool. It's cute simple and it's cute interesting. Initially, I want you to practice with simple things so that you can learn easily. After that you can proceed to the advanced level. Now we'll take the shape builder tool and cut out the extra line. Now we will separate the second picture from it to color inside our draw picture. Now we will right click on this adjust picture, going unlock, click link. So now can remove it easily. We will take a eyedropper tool from same color and one by one they will apply color in it. Now we will delete it with backspace. Now we will go the next picture same as the first picture. We will adjust it. Among them we will draw the first pic. Now we will first draw a circle on top of it because it's in a circle shape. Now we will take a pen tool and with the help of pen tool we will draw it whole picture with it. I would suggest that you also take a picture that have lot of curve in it for pen tool practice. So it's very simple work, just click and drag. I will be tracing the whole outline. If you get some points wrong, better you can carry on and we can adjust it later. I will suggest just keep the stroke and keep the fill as none, because if you keep it on, your artwork will get hidden behind it. I am changing the color of the stroke. Now we will color it. We will now start add it with the brush and looks very cute. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.